guys, good morning. Well, almost good afternoon. It is currently like 11:30 something right now. I decided I want to vlog today, so that's what we're doing. It is December 8th. I'm officially done with classes. Well, we don't have any more online classes, but I still do have finals and assignments to do. So today is really just going to be like a day getting ready for finals with me. I plan on going to the library today because if I stay in my apartment, I will not be able to get any work done, and your girl needs to get work done. I had a pretty late start to today. Usually I wake up earlier, but I decided to go to bed really late last night, up watching Vlogmas videos. It is 11:30 and I'm gonna get my day started. I just had maintenance come do some things for me in my apartment, but he literally just left. Yes, one of the things that I needed done was having light bulbs changed out because I can't reach it. So yes, I'm about to put some tea on. Gotta put the tea on. My knee has been hurting. Your girl tried to be active and she can't even do that because her knee is hurt. This knee has been giving me problems since middle school. So if you see me like limping and shit, that's why. I did change clothes. So this is the outfit I'm going to wear today. I need to figure out what I'm about to eat before I go to the library. I think I might eat this because I'm not really like a breakfast food person. Like I have bagels, but like I buy a thing of bagels and then don't even eat all of them because yeah. So I think I'll just eat that, but then I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I think I'm just going to thaw these chicken wings out, and I'm gonna make fried chicken in my air fryer. This is not warm enough. I already know. Yeah, no. Ooh. But it tastes even better the second day. It's giving everything it needed to have gave. All right, y'all, so I'm done eating. My freaking tattoo has been itching like crazy lately. I wonder if they have a pumpkin donut.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I have a small? Yes. Okay, so we have our mask of choice on. Hey y'all, so I'm still in the library. It is currently 4:28. I'm still doing physics, but I'm almost done. And then once I'm doing physics, I have a 5-page paper to write that is due on Friday for one of my classes. It'll be my final. And I'm gonna try to finish it by tomorrow, Wednesday. Wait, today's Tuesday, Thursday at the latest. But I definitely just want to focus on that for the rest of the night and tomorrow so that I can get it out the way. Yeah, I'm trying to get all of these notes out the way. And this chapter is nuclear physics and radioactivity. Yeah, I will check back in a little bit. Ooh, hey guys. So it is 8 o'clock and I am just now leaving the library. I wasn't planning on being here till 8. I stayed like an extra hour. At least I don't think I said I was gonna stay till 8. I think I said I was just gonna stay till 7. I feel like I made good progress. Of course, there's a freaking ambulance, but yeah, I feel like I definitely made good progress on my paper. I did like the first 2 pages, and so I just have 3 left. I'm gonna try to work on the 3rd one tonight, but I do still have to shower, cook dinner, and I want to do yoga. So that means I'll probably be going to bed late tonight, and having another late start tomorrow. But I mean, honestly, that's fine because I'm not like on a strict time schedule or anything. I'm driving and it's dark, so I will see you guys when I get in the house. Okay, hey guys, so I am back home, thank goodness. My chicken is there. It is thawed out, so I'm about to clean it, cut it, let it marinate for a little bit while I take a shower. So we are going to just start prepping dinner, and I'm also gonna make me a cup of tea because I kind of have a headache, and you know, tea will cure it. At least that's what I'm telling myself. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so here's the chicken. Just to update you guys a little bit, I've already showered and put on my pajamas and whatnot. I took the chicken out, made the flour, seasoned it, and now the wings are in there, and I have some coconut oil to spray on them. With the dinner, I'm gonna make some green beans, and I'm just gonna heat up this Uncle Ben's rice. And once the food is, you know, halfway through cooking, I will come back. It's 12:31. I completely forgot I was vlogging earlier. So I already cleaned up the kitchen. My chicken was so good. I was so proud of it, but I already cleaned up the kitchen. I'm drinking more tea right now, and I decided I wanted to do some more of my paper, so that is what I'm doing. I really just want to get this done tomorrow. Like, I don't want to work on it anymore. Like, it shouldn't take me a whole week to write 5 pages. So we're gonna get these 5 pages done in less than 2 days. Hey guys, it's me again. It's me a few days later. I just finished editing this vlog for you all. Here we go. And I never did an outro. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you've made it this far, please like this video, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you. No, but seriously, thank you all for subscribing. So I don't plan on vlogging often, even though I do love watching vlogs. With my undergraduate career coming to an end, I kind of just wanted to do a day in the life of me. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I apologize if it was a little choppy. This was an experiment. So if you guys like it, let me know. Leave me some comments below. Hopefully this video will be up by, can't see, hold on. Y'all see that? What day? Hopefully, what is today? Wait a minute, hold on. Today's Friday the 11th. So hopefully I will have this video up for you guys by tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'm gonna get ready for bed now because it is 2:05 a.m. So I'm gonna go now. Bye.